All right, and looking at example 5 on page 106, you really need to look at the book because it's a graph, and I'd like you to follow along. And so it says to refer to the graph if it says 275 students took a survey. How many can be expected to have 3 televisions each in their house? And so if you look at the graph, it says 3. There are 3 televisions. 23% of the 275, and what does of mean? It means to multiply. So we can set that up. And so you can either do it anyway. They're not asking you how to do it, telling you to put it in anything. So let's put it as a decimal here. So let's set this up. 23, move it over to, so 0.23 times 275. And let's get an estimate first before we start on. And so here we go. The whole thing would be 275. Half of that would be 137.5. A quarter of 275 would be around 68.75, and a 3/4 would be 206.75. And so we're looking at all of these here, and that would be 0, of course. And so 23 would be very close to 25%. So it's going to be less than 68.75, but just a little bit less. And so if we multiply that, so we're going to go 275 times 0.23, or 2300s, and we multiply that out, you're going to get 63.25. And so indeed, it's a reasonable answer because a quarter of it, or 25%, would be 68.75, and it's really close. So about 63 or 64 students out of 275 students would have 3 TVs in their home. So because we're dealing with people, we don't want to take them in quarters. We're going to say 63 or 64 kids, approximately. Thank you. Bye-bye.